Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook delicious assorted meat pepper soup, and you're going to love it. The first ingredients I have here is the washed assorted meat. It's made up of tripe, intestine, and roundabout. Here I have uziza leaves washed, and I'll be shredding this. I also have scent leaf washed. I'll also be shredding it. Here I have crayfish. I'll be grinding the crayfish. Here is salt, seasoning cube, and here are the spices I'll be using to prepare this delicious assorted meat pepper soup. This is ehu seed, control onions, orima seed, jansa seed, uziza seed, buffalo, efi seed. This is called bafula, uda seed, fresh ginger, fresh garlic. Here is onion and fresh pepper. Here are basically the spices I'll be using to prepare this delicious pepper soup. So I've put the meat in the pot. Make sure you wash your meat thoroughly. I've added uda seed, grated ginger and garlic. I'm adding the chopped onions. And here is the grounded spices I showed you guys earlier. I'm adding seasoning cube. I'm adding salt as well. And I'll be adding water and leave to cook until tender. So I'll be applying heat right away. So this is it. It's almost tender. It's almost tender. I'll be adding the grinded crayfish and coarsely blended pepper, and I'll be mixing it or stirring it, and I'll be leaving it for another 20 minutes. I'm adding little oil, and I'll be leaving it to cook for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I've added the shredded uziza leaves, shredded scent leaves. I will stir and leave it for another 3 minutes. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. This is it. This is it. It's ready. Hope you love and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.